Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Xiao. For this video, I wanted to recreate the video of me becoming Mulan last year. If you watch that video, I just fast forwarded and there's not really a good explanation. So for people who are confused, watching the fast forwarded video is an explanation of me doing it. Slower version. Keep on watching to see how I do that with better explanations. I use light green 3/4 inch shirt, yellowish whitish dress, dark blue tank top, long red sock, binder clip. Alright, so the first step that you're gonna do is put on your light green shirt. And then the next step, put on the dress. And then this here, I'm going to unbutton it here and then just tuck it in. That. Take your blue tank top, put it on, but not with the sleeves. You just want to put it on just on the body, but not put your arms through it. The sleeves here, you just want to fold it down inside. You can reach under to straighten it out. The other side. Smooth it out. And take your red sock, wrap it around. And take your binder clip, clip it together. Fold the ends down like that. Actually, you're going to need to use another one just to hold it together. Hold it up and that. Like. And then once you have that, you can just flip it to the back. Just adjust this length of it and everything. So yeah. Alright guys, I hope you liked that explanation of me how I did that. The fast forward Mulan dress up, I will put it down in the description box so you guys can watch the fast forward one and this one and compare contrast which one you guys like better. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video so that you can stay tuned to more of my videos. So thank you and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.